Welcome to Financial Hub. Today I'm going to guide you on how to buy Ton on Tonkeeper. Buying Ton coin on Tonkeeper makes it easy to manage and use your crypto within the app. Now, to open your Tonkeeper, firstly make sure you already have the application on your device. Now at this home page of Tonkeeper, you can see the option buy and sell just beside swap. Here you can see two options at the top, buy or sell. Now in the buy category, you can see at the first option buy Ton. Now tap on show all option. We can see numerous options over here. You can go according to your choice. For example, for this video, we will go for transact option. Now tap over there. Now you will be led to this page. For now, you can see that the rate of 1 Ton is equals to 4.72 euro. You can also change the payment option. For example, we will go for 2000. If you pay 2000, then you are about to receive 395.99. You can also see the various payment methods. Now you can choose the payment method according to your choice. After that, all you have to do is tap on buy now. Now here you need to enter your email to verify it in order to make the transaction possible. And this is how you buy Ton on Tonkeeper. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.